You almost fell in the water. It's like wet right there too.
She's like rubbing her butt.
People are touching that.
Ready? I don't wanna be a chicken. I don't wanna be a dog. So
I just move my butt. So, I don't know. Quack quack quack. I don't know.
Wait, or this.
How about what's it called? Dun dun dun.
Cupid Shuffle. We danced the Cupid Shuffle yesterday.
Jump on it. Jump on it. Well, how did it go?
Oh, jump on it. Dun. Oh, okay. We did that yesterday too.
Jump on it. Jump on it. Wait.
We're having too much fun without Claudia. It was so funny. You should have
push it. I know you.
No, as a dance, we gathered in a circle, and then it was like Langston, Alex, that other guy. Like they were in the middle dancing Michael Jackson. Like they, they rotated in and out. You should have seen Bray. It's funny.
They were doing like a boogie line, but in a circle.
No, it was a circle and people just dancing.
Oh wait, yeah, it's like
that time.
It's like a boogie line, but
and they were dancing to Billie Jean.
There was a boogie line.
There was.
Yeah,
that's
so
funny. Cool.
That was just weird, cause then in the end, everyone like just mixed together.
You didn't have anything, but we could count how many paces.
Okay.
No, come back.
Oh, come on, guys, we need to do this and record ourselves.
Go. You look so funny.
Oh my gosh. One, two, 3, 4, 5.
Who has a bigger size foot?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You might have to edit some of this out. 17, 18.
Hey guys are dancing. Woo!
21, 22,
Dun, dun,
23,
dun.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Kelly's still going.
42.
Ready? She's still going.
Record Kelly. She looks like she's tipsy. Look at Kelly.
She can't walk in a straight line.
Record Kelly. Look at her.
You look lonely, Kelly.
Should you be following her?
I'll be.
That's credit. That's Kelly doing it. I was there.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you can fly. Oh my God, Kelly's gonna die. Oh my God. Jocelyn, don't look at us. Claudia, right now 85 paces.
Wave hi, Kelly.
Hey, get her.
Woo.
Mark the plane. Claudia, you need to get down here because you have to time it also. Wait, let me turn on the camera.
Getting closer to you. Whoa. Johnny looks lonely now.
Wait, how do we start?
Don't forget to take guys. So it looks epic.
Are you good or what?
The wind's blowing. Okay, hold up, hold up.
Set.
Did you hear that? It was like,
No, sorry. Okay, ready, set, go.
oh, did you hear that? That was so cool.
Hey, there's a difference. 20 seconds.
Oh, you write it down, write it down.
It's not my fault, okay? You don't have to get mad.
I'm gonna write under camera. I wanna be a chicken.
I think I clicked it too late.
Hi, Jenny.
What do you sound now?
Okay, let's try it again.
How do you sound?
You word him sound.
Really? I'm kidding.
Okay.
No, wait.
You're doing sound, right?
Yeah.
Ready? Set.
Hold up.
Ready? Ready?
Wait, this is weird. Okay, go.
Set. Oh my god!
Sorry.
Ready?
Sorry.
Set. Go. 78.
Oh my gosh.
Stop! Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
That was even nothing.
Why?
You didn't stop it!
I did click it. It made the noise too.
She didn't stop it.
Okay, I'll try to press the
Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
Oh my god, no, I clicked it. I swear.
Shh.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, I've been ready.
Ready? Set. Go.
Sounds so cool.
Okay, got it. Don't erase it. Did you erase it?
It was 88.
I thought you were tying her shoe.
I'm sorry.
Last time.
Hard. Like press.
It hurts. My knee hurts. We can't put that much bloopers in.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Hold up. I've been getting it on video.
Oh my god. Start all over.
I did not. Awesome.
Stop, okay? We can hear it.
I did.
Make it loud, okay?
Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
That was not loud. Yeah.
Jenny, you took too much time. Bring your hands together.
I got 94.
Because, like, sometimes you start out here, sometimes you start out here.
Loud.
No, wait.
Ready? Set. Go. She's still faster than me.
Huh?
The times are wrong.
Yeah.
Start over. Ready, set, go. Jenny.
That's not too fast.
That was way too fast. Set. Go. I'll do sound.
Someone switch places
Okay.
with me.
Now, one more time. One last time.
Wait, is Claudia timing when she hears the sound or when she
Yes.
hears
Start
sound?
over. Ready, set, go. 85. 53. Yes.
Like, totally got happy.